Adriana's insurance reviews. What customers don't expect. Here's what you need to know before deciding if Adriana's insurance is right for you. Many customers find getting a quote simple and fast with low starting prices that feel less intimidating than traditional providers. What surprises them, though, is that the final cost can change based on coverage details, state requirements, or personal history, so reviewing the full quote is essential. Customer support experiences can also vary. Some get quick, clear help, while others may wait longer or need to follow up more than once. Claims handling often falls in between fast and slow. It usually goes smoothly when all documents are submitted correctly, but delays happen if information is missing or unclear. Policy flexibility is another point to note. Adriana's insurance offers multiple coverage options, but some customers don't expect how detailed the choices are. Taking a few extra minutes to understand what each option includes makes a big difference in satisfaction later. Overall, what customers don't expect are small details, not major problems. Knowing that prices can adjust, support experiences vary, and claims work best with complete info will help you have a smooth experience and make a confident decision.